That was Master Imam Khan in his heartwarming voice. Now, I would like to call Master Habab Hasan to present Hadiya Naat Rasul Maqbool Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Master Habab Hasan.
Sallallahu Alaihi Kaya Rasul Allah Wasallam Alaihi Kaya Habib Allah Rupe Mustafa
Mashallah, that was Master Habab Hasan in his beautiful voice. To formally start, I will share the rules of this inter-house bilingual declamation contest 2023. The rules are as follows. Rule number 1. Each team will comprise of 2 members, one to speak on given Urdu and the other on the English topic. Second rule. The contest will be concluded in one round. Third rule. The speaker will speak as a team. A single speaker team will not be allowed to represent the house. Rule number 4. The English speaker will be followed by the Urdu speaker of the same team. Rule number 5. A speaker may speak for a minimum of 4 minutes and a maximum of 6 minutes. The first bell will be rung after 4 minutes and the second bell will be rung after 6 minutes. After the second bell rung, the speaker has to leave the rostrum. Otherwise, negative marks will be awarded. Rule number 6. The speaker will be addressed the chair only. Rule number 7. Paper reading will not be allowed and those who do so will lose marks. Rule number 8. No speaker will use indecent, unparliamentary language or pass